Hi, it's Kassy, artist in residence with Imagine. I'm going to show you how you can use VersaMagic ink and fireworks spray on both light and dark surfaces to achieve beautiful results. So today I'm using two different manila tags. One will be used with plaster paste and this stencil. I'm using the same stencil on both tags. It's Tangled Waves, it's called. The second tag will be using the creative medium in Shimmer. Very beautiful. The creative medium it dries transparent and glossy, and the plaster paste dries opaque and matte. So there are slightly different surfaces there. And then what I'm also going to do is on the creative medium tag I'm gessoing in white, and then on the plaster paste tag I'll be gessoing in black, as you see here. So then after this is done, then we will go over and cover each of them with VersaMagic and fireworks spray evenly to show the differences. So there I just sanded that tag just to let some of the white show through on the black tag to distress it a little bit. So here we go. So we've got the VersaMagic ink. This is Thatched Straw that I'm using first. Then slightly darker color called Mango Madness. Gorgeous. Spraying those, letting them run a little. Then the final color here is Persimmon. That's just a slightly darker orange, and then I went back over with the Mango Madness because I was in love with that color. So we have that. Then I'm doing the exact same thing on the black tag. I started with Thatched Straw, then moving that water around, letting it dry, then going over with Mango Madness and Persimmon again, and then finally Mango Madness one last time. I wanted to keep these as close to the same as I could so we could really have a good comparison of how the same ink and spray looks on a white and black surface. So here you can see preliminary results. The white is a little brighter. That black is like kind of chalky looking. I love the way this is turning out. I was really impressed and excited with the results as we went. So next we're going to use the fireworks spray, and this lighter blue is called Bahama Blue. Totally gorgeous. The shimmer in this is really, really amazing. So on the lighter tag, you can see, the color is brighter, and you can see a lot of that color. On the darker tag, you can see the color still, which is really amazing, but what you really see is that shimmer settling in the crevices of the waves there. The darker tag really helps that shimmer just shine. It's just amazing. So now I'm using the this darker blue is called Paris Dusk, and doing the same thing on both tags. I'm putting Paris Dusk over all of the places where I put the Bahama Blue, just in a smaller quantity, just providing a little shading here, but you can see the differences already. Totally different feel and mood to each tag, but both really pretty. So now I'm just putting my embellishments on. I've decided to start with the dark tag, and as I'm going through placing the papers down, I'm using walnut ink to distress that paper and just make it look a little older, a little bit, a little more worn. So I just used a paintbrush to get it on there, and then I moved it around with my fingers. It works pretty well. All of the paper is stuck down with matte medium, so that works really well as an adhesive for multimedia projects with paper. If you're using anything thicker or heavier, like these little metal pieces, I would use a heavier gel. Here I'm using the creative medium. That's a nice thick ultra gel, and that will hold those pieces down nicely, and they will dry and really be stuck and won't go anywhere. So now I'm just spritzing with the walnut ink, drying it, and then going back over with cantaloupe and fireworks spray to give them the little splatters. Now I have this twine. I just made some loops there and stuck it down using again that creative medium. It's a nice thick ultra gel. Will hold that down nicely. So there is my dark tag, and we will come back to it after the white one is done. So similarly on the white tag, I started with the with this string here, just wrapped it around a few times. Generally you want to do an odd number when you're doing stuff like that, looks nicer. Then we're using the Tangelo and Bahama Blue and just splattering a little bit. I gotta have the splatters there. Same process here. I chose embellishments and papers to put down. This time I really wanted to keep it clean and neat and white. I didn't use any walnut ink. I didn't want to distress anything here. I just felt like this tag had a different feel to it. But I am using the metal pieces. I'm sticking it down with matte medium and ultra gel, depending on if it's paper or something thicker. Really the same process was in place. Just slightly different look and feel to the tag. So here we go. Here are my two final tags. Different feel, different look. The darker has the shimmer standing out more, the lighter has the color and the vibrant, but they're both vibrant. They're both beautiful, and I really loved making these projects and doing this comparison. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, for more inspiration, please visit imaginecrafts.com. Thanks for watching.